Have you ever stopped to think about the true nature of the universe? What you believe to be real may be far beyond what our eyes can see. What if everything we know, from the farthest stars to the smallest atoms, is part of the mind of a colossal being? This idea, both intriguing and disturbing, challenges everything we think we know about reality. Imagine a universe where each galaxy is a neuron, each star a synapse, and all the cosmic vastness is part of a greater and incomprehensible consciousness. The universe and the human brain share surprisingly similar structures. Imagine, for instance, that the number of stars in a galaxy is incredibly similar to the number of neurons in the human brain. Both the universe and the mind exhibit a vast interconnected network, where each element plays a vital role. Just as neurons communicate through synapses, stars in a galaxy are connected by gravity and cosmic forces, creating a dynamic and interdependent system. This fascinating comparison does not end there. Galaxies in the universe are grouped into clusters, similar to the organization of neurons in neural networks. Each galaxy, like each neuron, has its own function, but it is the interaction between them that gives rise to complex emergent behavior. The high connectivity in the universe and the human brain suggests an underlying order, a pattern of organization that repeats at different scales. Let's delve deeper into this intriguing comparison. Within a cell, atoms are organized in a way that reflects the structure of the universe in miniature. The number of atoms in a cell resembles the number of stars in a galaxy. Thus, the human mind and the universe, in their vast and minute scales, exhibit a remarkable symmetry. It is almost as if the structure of the universe is mirrored within our own biology. The idea that the universe possesses a thinking mind is not a new notion. For millennia, philosophers like Anaxagoras have suggested that an intelligent force guides the cosmos, shaping everything that exists with an inherent purpose. This perspective, although ancient, resonates deeply with some of the most modern scientific theories that seek to explain the complexity of the universe. The human mind, with its capacity for introspection and reflection, can be seen as a microcosm of this cosmic intelligence. In every era, this theory has evolved, adapting to new discoveries and the growing understanding of reality. In modern times, the idea of a conscious universe has been revitalized by theories suggesting an intrinsic organization in the cosmos. Scientists explore the possibility that the complex and interconnected structure of the universe might indicate a greater purpose, a form of consciousness that permeates all things. Such thinking leads to a vision of the universe as a living, intelligent system. This theoretical evolution continues to fascinate us. The quest to understand the universe and our own minds leads us to profound considerations about the nature of reality. The comparison between the universe and the human brain provides a window to explore how everything is interconnected, from the smallest particles to the largest galactic structures. With this comes the question, could the structure of the universe reflect an organized consciousness, much like the human nervous system? Theoretical physicist Sabine Hossenfelder offers a fascinating perspective on this. In August 2022, theoretical physicist Sabine Hossenfelder published an article comparing the structure of the universe to the human nervous system. She highlighted the hierarchical and highly interconnected organization of galaxies, suggesting that the vastness of the cosmos might reflect the complexity of our own minds. Imagine each galaxy as a giant neuron, connecting through galactic filaments that resemble synapses, creating an incredibly complex cosmic fabric. Hossenfelder proposed that, just as our brain is composed of trillions of connections, the universe might also have a network of interactions that govern its behavior. This vision leads to a fascinating speculation: if the universe shares these characteristics with the human mind, could it also harbor some type of intrinsic consciousness or purpose? Theoretical physics provides a powerful lens to explore such possibilities, where each cosmic interaction can be seen as part of a larger cognitive process. Exploring this perspective makes us reconsider our own existence. If the human mind is a miniature of the universe, then each thought and action might reflect the cosmic order. The interconnectedness that Hossenfelder describes invites us to see the universe not just as a vast empty space, but as a living, pulsating system. This analogy leads us to question humanity's role within this grand network of connections. But could the universe actually send signals, just as our brains do? The idea that the universe might send signals, similar to the functioning of the human brain, is an intriguing hypothesis. Imagine galactic filaments functioning as neural connections, transmitting information across the vast distances of the cosmos. Just as our neurons use synapses to communicate, galaxies might be exchanging signals through gravitational interactions and cosmic forces. This cosmic signaling suggests that the universe could be more interconnected than we imagine. However, the vastness of the universe and the constant cosmic expansion present significant barriers to this communication. The distance between galaxies is immense, comparable to millions of light-years. Still, the idea of non-local connections, such as quantum entanglement, challenges these limitations. Entanglement suggests that particles can be instantaneously connected, regardless of the distance separating them. Could the universe be using these connections to transmit information on a large scale? Exploring this hypothesis makes us question whether cosmic events, such as supernova explosions or black hole movements, could be signals sent by the universe. Recent studies indicate unexpected coherences in the movements of distant galaxies, suggesting that there might be a form of hidden communication. These discoveries fuel the speculation that the universe, in all its grandeur, might be sending signals that we do not yet fully understand. And what are the recent studies supporting this idea? Let's find out next. Recent studies have revealed intriguing findings about the universe's behavior. In 2019, a study found unexpected coherence in the movements of galaxies millions of light-years apart, suggesting the existence of possible non-local connections. These synchronized movements challenge our current understanding of physical laws and make us ponder over a possible cosmic communication. Perhaps the universe, with its vast networks of galaxies, is more interconnected than we ever imagined. Additionally, strange alignments of supermassive black holes in distant regions of the universe have been observed. The presence of these patterns suggests that there may be an unknown force or mechanism operating on a large scale. Theories about quantum entanglement and non-local connections gain traction as more evidence of coherent interactions is discovered. These discoveries not only challenge conventional physics but also open new possibilities for understanding the cosmic mind. If these phenomena are signs of some form of consciousness or an organized structure in the universe, we are just beginning to unravel their mysteries. Ongoing studies and new technologies will allow us to explore these cosmic connections more deeply. But what about the idea of a global consciousness? Let's explore that next. The idea of a global or interconnected consciousness transcends individual boundaries and challenges us to rethink the nature of the mind. Imagine a vast field of consciousness permeating the entire universe, where every living being is a manifestation of this universal mind. This vision suggests that human consciousness is just a fraction of this great cosmic network. Our minds, therefore, are not isolated but connected to a greater consciousness that encompasses the entire cosmos. This concept challenges the traditional view that consciousness is exclusive to humans. If the human mind can emerge from a complex network of neurons, why couldn't the universe, with its interconnected structures, harbor its own form of consciousness? This idea leads to speculations about a collective consciousness, where each thought and action contribute to the dynamics of the cosmos. The universe, in this sense, could be seen as a thinking being, where each galaxy is a neuron in a colossal mind. Exploring global consciousness makes us consider our own existence in a new and profound way. If we are part of a universal mind, each of us plays a vital role in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Our individual experiences, emotions, and thoughts could be reflections of a larger process of cosmic cognition. This perspective invites us to see life more integrally and interconnectedly, as addressed by the integrated information theory. Proposed by Johannes Kleiner and Sean Tull, this theory suggests that consciousness is a calculable property based on the complexity and integration of systems. In other words, the more complex and interconnected a system is, the higher the probability that it possesses some level of consciousness. This theory leads us to consider that the human mind is not the only form of consciousness in the universe, but part of a broader spectrum that might include the entire cosmos. According to the theory, the number of connections in the human brain, approximately 10 to the power of 15, exemplifies how complexity can generate consciousness. However, when we extend this perspective to the universe, with its non-local connections and galactic filaments, the scale of complexity increases exponentially. The universe, with its cosmic interactions and vast networks of galaxies, can then be seen as an integrated system capable of possessing its own form of consciousness. This theory challenges the traditional understanding of mind and consciousness, suggesting they might be emergent properties of sufficiently complex and interconnected systems. If we apply this logic to the universe, we can start to see the cosmic structure as a grand mind, where each galaxy, star, and planet plays a role in constructing this universal consciousness. This perspective opens doors to new ways of thinking about our relationship with the cosmos and the role of the mind in the universe. Exploring the idea that we live in the mind of a being opens new doors to understanding the universe and our own existence. Each discovery, each theory, leads us to consider the cosmic vastness in a new light. The possibility that the universe is a conscious mind challenges us to think beyond the obvious, to question what is real, and to explore the unknown with curiosity and wonder. If each star, each galaxy, is part of an immense network of consciousness, then our journey of understanding is just beginning. This perspective not only inspires us but also invites us to keep exploring, questioning, and expanding our horizons. For more videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to keep discovering the mysteries of the universe. Join us on this incredible cosmic journey and keep the flame of curiosity always burning. See you next time.